Yeah, Rakesh ji, you can start.
Okay, good afternoon, Sunil sir.
Good afternoon.
So, so today's agenda is like you have shared certain technology demand points. So we will be discussing on those points only. Okay. So I'll show you the complete process of. I'll take you to the complete process of Zomato and Swiggy integration and the workflow of both the aggregator. At
Okay.
this moment, we will be able to see only Zomato's workflow since they have given us the UAT, but the Swiggy workflow we won't be able to see at this moment because the UAT is not been given by the Swiggy aggregator. Okay, so
Okay.
we'll see, but the workflow will be pretty similar only. It is similar for both the aggregators. The process, onboarding process, the menu management process, and everything is similar.
Okay. So
Okay.
as you have updated me earlier that it will be taking 2 to 3 days time for menu update right now for Swiggy. So you have got a mail also. I believe. Can you showcase us that mail which is sent by Swiggy saying that they are giving you API interface by June and or whatever the date is, which is confirmed by
Okay,
Swiggy
I
team.
can show you the mail. 1 minute. So here, this is the mail. So we were asking for the integration part to be done for menu management. I'll explain you the process of menu management for Swiggy portal. Okay, how it works. So the menu integration and everything is been initiated by the POS service provider only. So if we are managing the portal for Azure Hospitality, so we will initiate the integration request and we will only initiate the menu management request also. So once we initiate the request, we have to give them the data in their format, in their Excel format. They have already shared the format with us. So we have to fill in the data in their format and send it to the Swiggy portal, Swiggy integration team. So the Swiggy integration team initiates the request from their end and they give us the ticket IDs for the request initiated. Okay, so they take around 2 to 3 days of time to do the menu mapping. Whatever updation or addition has to be done, they take at least 2 to 3 days of time. So once they update it, then the customers can see the updated menu on the portal.
So
But the
Rakesh,
minimum,
when you say 2 to 3 days time, is it working days or any days? Means Saturday,
it is
Sunday is
it is
also
two to
counted in
two
same.
to 3 days working day. It is
So
holidays. They
if
don't work on holidays.
if in case I have given you a menu which is actually shared with you on Friday morning, when it is
Okay.
possible to get live on Swiggy platform.
So they Friday if morning they if you share, then Saturday and Sunday they won't work. The integration team doesn't work on the weekends. So they will start working on Monday only. We will get the request. We will get the ticket ID on Friday itself once we put the request. But they will start working on Monday only. So from Monday you can assume 2 days of time, 2 to 3 days of time.
Okay.
So suppose we are planning to launch any menu, I would suggest that we plan it on weekdays only. Weekends we should avoid it.
So Rakesh, why I put it up this phone, this particular question? That is because of might I have given you a price of a product where a outlet is saying that this price is not correct for a particular product. So you are saying at
Okay,
least it will take 3 to 4 days, whether it is for one product or two product, whether it is a correction also.
correct.
Correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Now 2 to 3 days I'm saying, so that is the buffer time I'm considering and I'm telling you because from the past experience what we have noticed is they work whether it is small menu or it is big menu, they take at least 2 to 3 days of time. But if we insist if we have the direct contact of POCs and we insist them and we request them, then they might work they might give us the solution in Monday also if the menu
Okay,
is
done.
small.
Done.
If it
Perfect.
is big
Perfect.
menu, then obviously they will take time. They will take time.
Done. So let's see the
Okay.
Zomato way of
Huh.
doing
So
things.
I'll explain you the process of integration, how the onboarding is done for
Okay.
both the parties. Okay, so the first point is new location onboard to go live for online ordering Zomato. Okay, so in this for taking any new location onboarding, the first thing what is required is the restaurant which is running has to be listed on Zomato portal. Okay, Zomato and Swiggy portal, it has to be listed. When the listing is done, Zomato and Swiggy, both the party gives you the restaurant code. Okay, Swiggy will give you independent restaurant code for them, and Zomato will give independent restaurant code.
Okay.
And when the integration has to be taken on board, so what we do is we create that restaurant details in our system, in our ERP system. So suppose say Mama Goto new location is going to be live in Mumbai, say Bandra. Okay,
Okay.
new location is coming up. So Mama Goto Bandra has to be listed on Swiggy and Zomato portal. Once it is listed, they will give you the unique code, and this listing is done by Azure only. Okay,
Okay.
so you will be getting a unique code for Mama Goto Bandra of Zomato and Swiggy. Okay, once you get the code, so the location creation will have to do it in our ERP system. Okay, so once we do the location creation in our ERP system, we as a POS service provider will initiate the request. So Brainpower will initiate the request for getting the integration done for Mamaco to Panda. Okay, so
Okay.
when the integration request is initiated, we send the code provided by Zomato and Swiggy to the integration team. So we send the Zomato code as well as our restaurant code, which is created into our system. Okay. So
Okay.
once this and with Zomato code, we'll have to give them the live restaurant link also. So
Okay.
the restaurant link is the URL, basically ordering URL link. Okay, so when we give the details to Zomato, we have to give them the restaurant code and the URL link and the code created into the ERP system. So
Okay.
this is how the process is done. We have to share these details, and once this detail is shared, so they will take 7 days of time minimum to get the integration done. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the process. Process is same for both the parties. We'll have to give them all this detail, but for Swiggy on the mail also we can give this detail, as well as they have given us the Google Drive link for brain power. Okay, so whichever outlets for whichever customer we are doing the integration, we have to share these details on Google Drive as well.
So how
So
many
once we get,
brands are running right now with Zomato Swiggy integration with Brainpower?
sorry.
How many brands are currently running for Swiggy and Zomato integration with Brainpower?
Currently, we are running with
Means
two brands.
okay.
Okay. So they both the brands have around one brand has around 7 to 8 outlets pan India, and second brand has 15 outlets in two cities, Mumbai and Pune. Mumbai, no, they are also in pan India also. Uh,
So what is the brand
okay.
name?
Sorry.
Brand name?
Brand name is one is Chiziano Pizza.
Okay.
Okay. Second is Techmax Cuisine.
Okay. So what is exactly they are getting orders per day? Approx average?
The Chiziano Pizza is the QSR brand, so the frequency is like, and they are running with 4 brands in one pause only. So they are running multiple brands under one roof. So it is kind of QSR concept and cloud kitchen concept.
Okay.
One brand ka food preparation, everything is done in the restaurant only, but the other 3 brands are like cloud kitchen only. But the operation is from the single restaurant.
Okay.
Okay. So the frequency of like all the brands, if I combine now, so per day order they are getting around 7 to 80 orders they are getting per store.
70 to 80 orders per store, per outlet.
Per, per store per outlet on an average.
Okay, great.
Okay, so this was this before the lockdown has started. Okay, now the frequency is very less.
So are they happy with the services of Brainpower as an integration person for Zomato and Swiggy?
Yeah, they are happy. We haven't received any complaints at this moment actually.
So they are
we
getting
are
orders
running
also timely and the acceptance everything is getting happening timely.
yes. Everything is happening properly.
Okay, let's
So
see
they are running.
let's see how Zomato integration is working.
Sorry.
let's see how Zomato's integration has to be done.
Okay. So the you're clear with the onboarding process, right? The
Yeah, yeah,
first 2 point is
yeah.
clear.
So 7 days is
Okay.
inclusive of
7 days is
the
for
effort we
minimum
have to
7
take.
days is for Zomato and 7 to 10 days is for Swiggy, and this is working days. Okay.
Okay. So when we say 7 to 10 days, that means we initiated the request, then we update you that the link is ready and order button is also ready by Zomato and Swiggy. Then after you will take how many days? 2 days
So
or
once the integration mapping is done, na, so they ask us to push the menu. So once the integration is online, we get the intimation that integration is done. So we push the menu for that restaurant, and menu pushing operation is basically of 5 to max 5 minutes time, because the menus is already mapped for the restaurant and it is ready. So we
and
just have to replicate it on Zomato portal. So it will take maximum 5 minutes of time to get it done.
okay, okay. Let's see.
Okay. So I'll take you to the menu updation of Zomato first.
Sure.
Then we'll move on to the ordering process. Okay. So I'll show you the pause first. What menu is configured. It is basically the replica of the pause only. Whatever menu is configured in the pause, that same menu can be replicated on the portal. Also, you have one provision on the portal, like complete menu. If you want to display, you can display it. Otherwise, you can filter it out also. Okay. So for online portal, maybe the liquor menu is not applicable. So liquor delivery is not currently running. So we can filter out liquor products and push all the rest menu. Okay, so the menu which is configured here is of Dalmar Hotel Saket. Okay,
Okay.
so this is basically the menu mapping which is done. Pasta, risotto, sandwiches, sides, small plates, summer menu, mains to share, mains, and dessert. So these are the menu which is configured. Okay.
So my menu is very selective when I say for it is available for delivery. So how will I configure that particular only 10 products out of these has to go for delivery first of all.
So in
Second,
the menu master,
okay,
in the menu master,
let me ask you all the queries. First of all,
yeah.
the 10 products need to be visible at cloud. Second thing, the sorting means I want to see appetizer category on top, then it should show me soups, then it should show me main course, then it should show me like this. So how can I sort my categories? Third, how will I sort my products? It should be veg
Okay.
non-veg way, or it can be like the lowest price should come on up and then later on the price way it should go down, means higher product will be shown at the bottom. So are
Okay.
these facilities available or how we should proceed to do so?
Yes, we have that available. We have that provision available. There is two options on the portal. Okay, one is the bestseller items which is displayed. Okay, now this bestseller item is based on the sales done on the portal. Okay, this is the best selling item which is displayed on the portal by Zomato itself. Okay, second is the recommended products. So the recommended products, you can configure it in the system what you want to display it on the top for the customers. Okay, so this recommended product ka list you can share, you can give us, and that list can be configured in the system. Okay, so this is the one criteria for the customer. They will get the that recommended list can be of highest selling item or as a lowest selling item or whatever it is. Okay, which you are promoting. Okay. Second is how you want to display your menu.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the product master of Azure Hospitality only.
Okay.
Okay, here there is an option of here Delmar brand ka menu is created. Okay, under Delmar there is food Delmar, dessert, bar and event menu. Under food there is sides.
But when I will
Sides
showcase
name,
this menu on cloud, I will be not showing this dash FC or HC, whatever it is being notified.
that will
I
have
am
to now the menu which is configured, that same menu I have pushed, but before moving on to the integration, we'll have to work on the menu again, I guess. So we'll have to, maybe the name we won't be able to change, but the pause display name can be changed. So system checks whether pause display is available or not. If it is available, then it takes the pause display name. If it is not available, then it takes a product name. Okay, so product name we won't be able to change it because same menu might be available in other brands also. Okay, so what we can do is we can change the display name, pause display name, and we can display it on the portal.
okay.
Okay, so under here this
So, but pause
all
display
this
name,
menu.
we many times have very longer names also. So, is there any limit for same?
No, there is, I guess, 50 character, 50 byte is the
50
length.
character length is for products, I know
50,
that,
50.
but here we make product names to 60, 70, sometime 100 also.
Okay.
No problem. That we can provide you 250 characters.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. That we
So,
can, all display name we can provide you up to 250 characters.
okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the menu under pasta and risotto. There are this many items mapped. Now here is an option of applicable online. Can you see the check active for online?
Yes.
Okay, so now when we map any product, that time we have to tell that whether this product is applicable for online menu or not. So whenever the menu is pushed to the portal, so system every time filter out the product and checks only those menu which are applicable for online.
Okay.
If it is not applicable, then it will not be available on the portal. So
Is
the menu management is same how it is done in the POS. So what menu is configured in POS, same menu you can push it on the portal with a additional configuration of active for online or not. Okay.
is the same check mark is available for groups also?
Sorry.
Is the same check mark available for groups also?
Yes, same is available on group also.
Okay. So where is the option in group?
So here, this is actually the back office system. It is available in the ERP system. Hello.
Yes. I am listening.
Menu which I have opened here now, this is the UAT system which I have configured. So on the UAT system I have not configured complete ERP system. I have taken
Okay.
only one
Done.
menu. Okay,
Yeah.
but it is applicable on the group also. It is there, active or online or not, that you can check. Okay.
And sequencing of group, where I'll define that appetizer has to come on first, where I'll put that particular sequence.
Now there is two option here. Okay. Now, if you keypad, when we say menu management on the pause, menu is displayed on the keypad itself. Okay. If I do the mapping of food Delmar, then I get an option of food Delmar 1, and under food Delmar there will be option of sides, mains, pastas, sandwiches, like that. Okay. If I do the keypad mapping of sides directly, then sides, mains, pastas, like that, it will be displayed. So like here in pause, you can see there is no, in the tree, all these options are mapped under food Delmar, but in the pause, it is not under food Delmar. It is displayed as main category only. Okay. So when I do the menu management, so here you can see the menus.
Mm-hmm.
So here I can do the sequencing, which categories can be displayed and how it can be displayed. So here I
Okay.
have kept desert last.
Okay. So same way we can do for the products also, or the product has to
Yes,
be.
yes, we can do for the product. This is the group category sequencing. Okay, so okay, wait. So this is the categories of the product
Okay. Okay. Done.
for which you can do the sequencing.
Hmm.
And for product, if you want to do the sequencing, then on the product level, here post display sequence you can see.
Yes. Yes.
So here you have to put in what sequence it will be available.
Okay.
Okay. So this is how the menu sequencing is
But
done.
if I want that system should be intelligent enough and as per my prices it should sort. Can it do same or is it not allowed?
Sorry, how you want the menu?
I'll confirm you. For example, garlic bread in
Mm,
outlet is of 10 rupees means in delivery,
mm,
and
mm.
pizza in same categories pizza is also available and pizza is of 100 rupees. So garlic bread should come on top and then pizza should be displaying this way,
So, but
sorting.
both the products category is different now.
No, I am
Garlic
saying
bread
the
are
category
done
same.
for
I am just giving you
starters.
an example. Or I should say like this, garlic bread is there and garlic bread stick is also there. So garlic bread is of 10 rupees and garlic bread stick is of 20 rupees. So garlic bread should come on top and garlic bread stick should come below. Or otherwise there should be another option that it should come alphabetically. Means as per
Yeah.
alphabet it should come.
Sequencing will be done on the category only. Each category ka product sequencing will be done. Two categories will not be mapped. So like starters ka you have given example under
So for
starters.
product you are saying that it can be done by us only or else it can be alphabetically.
Yes, by default it takes alphabetical.
Okay.
If the sequencing is done, then it takes sequencing. If the sequencing is done, then it takes the menu based on sequence.
Okay.
Otherwise, it is done on alphabetical order.
Okay, let's continue
Suppose
further.
you want by price, then we can provide you.
Okay.
Currently, no one asked this requirement,
Hmm.
but suppose you want menu by price, so that is possible.
No, no, Ajay ji, I want to add in this. There are, see again, I am talking to all the brand heads and they have some or other queries in their mind. Like they want to showcase veg products first. Can my system offer that veg product should only come on top?
That can be
Then it
done.
should display non-veg products. But when I have not done the numbering by myself.
So that is possible. We have to only flag it out whether it is a veg or non-veg item, and then we can show non-veg item first, and that means veg item and alphabetical order, non-veg item alphabetical
Correct,
order.
correct,
Or you
correct.
want price, then veg item price wise,
Uh,
non-veg item price wise.
correct, correct.
So that is possible.
Okay. Well, last query will be there for menu. That is, we have only two fields right now which is visible to me. That is veg, non-veg. Now somebody has updated me there that online there are three categories: veg, non-veg, and vegetarian, I believe. So how
Egg,
vegetarian
egg.
एग वाला मतलब जिसमें एग कंटेंट करता है उसके लिए.
हाँ, correct.
तो वो हम यहाँ पे कैसे कैप्चर करेंगे कि दिस प्रोडक्ट इज कंटेनिंग ओनली एग but it is not veg and not treated as fully non-veg also. Right now we have only
So,
NA, non-veg and veg. See again I am putting up all the queries which is available in the market.
so here we can give you one more filter: veg, non-veg, and vegetarian. Okay.
Okay.
So if it contains only egg, then you will click on egg. So when we decide to go with the integration, now we'll have to work on the menu completely, because three parameters has to be validated. Four actually has to be validated. One, whether the menu is active for online. Second, we have to check the veg and non-veg category. Third, we'll have to put the description. Fourth, we'll have to put the image if you plan to show the image also.
Perfect. So can you guide me where the pictures are put in and the description can be added?
So the specification description, you can put the specification here. Okay, so the description which has to be displayed on the product, now there here you can mention the description. This description special character is not supported. Okay,
Okay.
special character is not supported here. And for Zomato, even the this veg and non-veg ka bifurcation, now they have done on the specification also. Suppose if you put the specification like chicken, like Rogan Josh sauce, okay.
Okay.
So they consider Rogan Josh, even the product is veg, but you use Rogan Josh sauce in your specification, then they consider that product as non-veg only.
So they have AI actually, artificial intelligence, which says Rogan Josh is
So
not a veg item. Why you treat it as?
so you will have to be very specific when you are putting the specification also, okay.
Okay.
And for image photocopy, you system will not take. You will have to give the image URL, and that image URL will be the publicly accessible URL.
Okay, that we'll see. We'll give you all those things.
Okay.
It is needed.
Yeah. So yeah, so this is the menu management part. So once the menu engineering is
Where
done,
is the price
so
updated for Zomato Swiggy?
yeah, that is also available. In the price here, sales price. Here there is only one pricing which I have configured, Delmar, and this is date-wise pricing which I have configured. Now, if you say that your delivery ka price for the restaurant and delivery price on the portal, now the pricing which is configured for all the brands is channel-wise pricing, right? Delivery, takeaway, and dine-in prices are different, correct? In Azure.
Correct.
Okay, so now even if you say that delivery pricing which is running in the restaurant, I want to add some margin more. I want to add some more margin into the delivery pricing, and I want to display it on the portal. Then what we can do is we can create one more price list head for Zomato or for online aggregator. Now, if you decide to go different pricing on Zomato portal and different pricing for Swiggy, that is also possible. So what we will do is we will create the price list head first.
Okay.
Okay, we'll create the price list head and we'll put all the prices for delivery channel available.
Okay.
Okay, now here I have kept only one single pricing. Delivery pricing is also same for the restaurant, and for portal also it is same.
Correct.
Okay, but if you decide to bifurcate your differentiate your pricing for restaurant and portal, then it is possible.
Okay.
Okay, here you can search any menu which is configured.
Okay. So my next query is that as you have showcased right now is for the a la carte items, correct? Now
Okay.
Swiggy is offering the guest few kind of offers where it can be like a थाली where you say कि आपको ब्रेड में से कौन सा चाहिए, लाइक चपाती चाहिए, रोटी चाहिए, नान चाहिए. देन सेकंड ऑप्शन कम्स आपको दाल कौन सा चाहिए, तो दाल में भी वेराइटीज़ है.
Add on.
ठीक है.
Add-on is possible. Add-on is
Can I
possible
complete?
to configure.
Can I complete?
Yeah, sir, go ahead.
So सेकंड इज वो थाली में उसने बोला कि सेकंड ऑप्शन इज दाल कौन सा लेंगे. ठीक है. उसके बाद में जो ऑप्शन है ना, इफ़ इट चूजेस द प्राइस विल गो अप एंड इट कैन चूज मैक्सिमम 2 मिनिमम 1. और इसी तरीके से अगर वो नेक्स्ट वाला लेता है तो उससे अगला ऑप्शन भी है. मतलब देर आर 2 चॉइसेस विच ही कैन गो फॉर. लाइक कि मैंने दाल तक तो उसको दिया, लेकिन सब्ज़ी के केस में उसको बोला इट इज़ ऑप्शनल. आपको चाहिए तो आप अगर कटहल का सब्ज़ी लेंगे तो 10 रुपये ऐड हो जाएगा, और अगर गट्टे का सब्ज़ी लेंगे तो 20 रुपीज़ आपको ऐड हो जाएगा. सही है. और अगर आपको सब्ज़ी उसको नहीं लेना है, आप बाईपास कर दो, तो नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन आ जाता है डेजर्ट्स. डेजर्ट इज़ ऑल्सो ऑप्शनल. आपको चाहिए तो रसगुल्ला ऐड कर लो ऑफ 10 रुपीज़, गुलाब जामुन ऐड करेंगे तो भी 10 रुपीज़. तो ये इस तरीके के ऑफर्स जब आते हैं, हाउ विल माई सिस्टम actually facilitate me to enable that particular deal in the system as well as in POS?
So in this case, we'll have to go with the menu configuration for add-on. Okay, so I'll explain you how add-on works. So suppose
आपने जो थाली का एग्जांपल दिया था ना, उसमें मैं थोड़ा और कॉम्प्लिकेशन भी कर सकता हूँ. I can create a menu item called thali, and then I can provide a option for a customer to choose whether he want veg thali, non-veg thali or egg thali.
Correct.
On the basis of that, my price will change, and also the option in that thali will change. Like in the veg thali, I will allow user to select only veg soup and veg sabjis. In non-veg thali, I can control that user can select only veg and non-veg soup and either chicken or mutton. So
Okay.
those configurations are possible, but the way that those are presented on Zomato Swiggy.
Okay. So are these offers running at any of the brands right now, which is
Yeah,
associated with
yeah.
Green
yes,
Power?
yes.
Any?
So one of the
any?
brand is Blue Box Biryani. Okay.
Okay.
So in Blue Box Biryani, they have the option of biryanis. Okay.
Okay.
On that biryanis, they are giving an option of selecting the starters. Okay. So in the regular menu, the starters pricing is say 100 rupee. Okay. But when they take the biryani, that starter ka option is not compulsory. They get an pop-up of putting the starters, but they can bypass it also. But if they put the starters, they get the starter at a discounted rate, maybe 80 rupee or 70 rupee, whatever rate is configured. So we call it as add-on concept, wherein on each menu, each product, you can put the add-on configuration. And that add-on can be configured based on min-max value as well as the prices, whether it is zero price value or it is valued item.
Okay. Okay. Done.
Okay. Okay, so say biryani mein you're giving an option of two kind of raitas. Okay, or you can say you're giving an option of salad and salad. Okay, from both the option you can take only one item, either salad or either salad or salad. So, salad or
Salam.
salad. Okay, either or you can take. So this is one configuration available in add-on. Second, in this configuration only, this salad and salad ka option you can keep. Below that, you can add one more add-on option where you can configure the starters on the product. Okay, and the starters can be on the discounted rate.
Okay.
Okay, so this option is available. Okay, so but if you are planning to go with the menu, then we'll have to revamp our complete pause menu also, because on the pause, if no, it is still required, but for displaying the menu on the portal, we'll have to re-engineer the menu. We'll have to rework on the menu.
Done.
But if you're
We'll be
to
sharing all
display
the
menu,
menus as it has to be displayed later on.
sorry.
I'll be sharing all the menus, how it has to be displayed and has to be available for pause also. Later on you guide
Okay.
us how we
Okay,
have to
no
create
problem.
some. We'll do the same.
Okay.
Done. So how will be the menu pushed now? So now menu is created, the price is also updated.
Wait,
How will
I'll show you
we push the menu now?
Wait, I'll show you the pricing. Okay, now your chocolate cake price is 200 rupee.
Okay.
On the portal also, I'll show you the UAD. So this is the UAD provided by the Zomato aggregator. Okay. So here there is only two delivery. It is delivery only, and address and everything is already mapped to this location. The restaurant name also you can say Breakfast Test. Okay. So when you say order online, so the menu which is configured here is of Delmar Hotel only. Pasta, sandwiches, sides, small plates, summer menu, mains, Mains to share mains and dessert.
Okay.
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 Under dessert, now here you can see the price which is configured here is 200. Now here we have running the offer also. On the top, the offer is configured here. You can see 10% off on order about 200 rupees.
Correct.
So this offer is also configurable. So I'll just change the pricing and I'll show you the process how the menu is pushed. So the pricing menu updation on the ERP system is similar only. How you do it regular for updating in the POS.
Hmm.
So here say I say 250, okay,
Hmm.
and so the price is updated.
Hmm.
You can see the utility online menu push app. Hello.
Ah, yes, I am watching it.
Okay. So this is the utility which will help you to map the menu on the Zomato portal. Swiggy, once it is done, integration is done, so same utility can be used. Here you can see the drop down the portal you have to update on Zomato or Swiggy.
Okay.
Okay.
So when we say Swiggy, Swiggy will generate a Excel file for you.
No, currently for Swiggy we'll have to do it manually only. From this utility it won't
Okay.
be
So
working.
you are saying way forward when it is integrated all, then we can push
Going
same
forward,
like
when it
this.
is integrated, same format, same application can be used.
Okay.
It is not it will not generate any Excel file.
So
Straight away, it will update the menu on the portal.
so Ajay ji, last time I was talking to you that initial talks are being started with .pay also. So can same way .pay can be integrated in this
Yeah, yeah.
application to push?
Yeah, everything will be in one dashboard itself.
Okay.
Okay, now this dashboard is for the HO user. Okay, this
Okay.
is same dashboard. If you're allowing to access restaurant also, then they can do it. Otherwise, the HO team can use this dashboard to update the menu for for all the restaurants.
Okay.
Here it is only one location configured, so I am getting only one location configured. If all locations are configured, for which location you are updating the menu, you can select and update it. Okay.
Okay.
I will say add product master. And update the menu. Okay, you will get the response valid to process to message. Import has been successful. That means the menu is been updated on the portal. Okay. Now when you refresh this portal, and here you can see 250 rupee is updated. Previously it was 200, now it is 250.
Okay. Done.
Okay, so this is how the menu updation is done. Same way goes for your product activation and deactivation also.
Okay.
Whichever product activate this on the ERP and push the menu, then it will get updated. So the
Okay.
item will not be visible.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so this is how the menu updation is done on the portal from the ERP system.
Okay.
Okay, now okay. So the location onboarding process is clear for both the aggregators. Pricing it is clear, correct, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Menu updation time for portal we have kept 10 minutes. It is okay, we will keep 10 minutes only, but sometime it takes time, so it is better we keep it 10 minutes only. Now if you see here, it took only like seconds of time to update it.
So are
Okay,
you
but
saying
some
the margin should be higher?
customer
Rather than 10 minutes, we should keep higher margin?
No, just sometimes if there is a lot of load on the Zomato, then it takes some time.
time, correct.
Okay. So
But we generally push, they take some time to reflect, so we'll keep 10 minutes. Otherwise, it is almost instant.
okay. Done. So now we would like to see the order flow, which is that order is being taken by Zomato or Swiggy, and it is landed to my system, And if there is any portal, how exactly I see the portal where I can accept the order? As you said, order can be accepted or rejected manually also, and it can be dispatched also manually. So I would like to see
Okay.
whole process now for the order taking.
Okay. Okay. So point up till this 4 points are clear, correct?
Yeah,
5 points.
you can color all those points which are actually covered up.
Okay. Now coming to order landing from Swiggy and Zomato. So Zomato is configured, so I will be able to show you Zomato working only.
Sure,
Okay,
sure.
so this is new. Okay. Now since it is a UAT platform and the limitation is there for cash on delivery, more than 500 or 300 rupees I can't order. Okay. So we'll have to go with the menu which has smaller rate. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So big mashed potato. This I'm ordering. Okay, these two options. This is the replica of the Zomato portal only. It is just the UAT platform, but the menu is same how it is displayed on the live portal only.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Continue. This two address is configured. Home. Then it will ask me for payment option. So I'll say cash on delivery and pay cash on delivery. So here this is the portal. Now order is sent and it is confirmed. So now it is confirmed because the configuration which is done is whenever order is sent from whenever the customer orders from Zomato portal, it is auto approved in the system and it is sent to the POS. We can configure this auto approval process also. Either you keep it auto approval or you keep it manual process. So if it is manual process, from the dashboard, from the dashboard, the restaurant team can view the orders. So if it is on manual process, then in the pending window, you will see all the orders which are pending to accept.
Okay. So
Okay,
will
and
it
if it
will
is
it buzzer
Hello?
when we receive the order?
Ah.
Will the system buzzer
So,
us?
so when the order is received, the KOT is generated in the kitchen. Also, if you all are using the KDS, on the KDS order lands, and on the KDS the buzzer is the sound. You can we can configure the sound also.
But I am asking when the order we need to accept manually. Will the system
Hello?
prompt us that order is being received? Please confirm it or accept it.
Sir, can you repeat again? Your voice is cracking.
So I am saying when the order is landed and it is in pending, so will the system make a buzzer sound to say that order is landed in your system and it is in pending? Please accept that order or reject it. This particular application which we have opened actually. Does it make any buzzer sound? Like right now we are using a portal, it is making a buzzer sound that you have received a order. Please check it. And as well as they have given us an app also where manager is keeping an app and they also receive a notification saying the order is landed for your outlet. Please do the needful.
Notification to anyway you will get. But the sound which is configured, it is configured on the KDS. But what we can do is when the order is landed and if it is in on hold stage, so if the speaker is connected to the system, then we can generate this sound even if it is on hold stage. So the sound, so वो हम लोग configure कर सकते हैं ना ये ऐप में?
हाँ वो कर सकते हैं.
डैशबोर्ड में ना
बजर बजर
बजर हम लोग कॉन्फ़िगर कर सकते हैं.
हाँ बजर कर सकते हैं.
डैशबोर्ड में ही वी कैन कॉन्फ़िगर द बजर.
If you want a loud sound ना, तो आपको वो स्पीकर एक जगह पे हम लोगों ने किया है, अपना न्यू बॉम्बे में हम लोगों ने किया है. वो ऑर्डर आता है ना, तो केडीएस को बड़ा स्पीकर लगा है.
हाँ वो तो KDS को लगा है. मैं चाह रहा हूँ कि
नॉइज इन
हाँ करेक्ट. मेरा जो ऑप्शन था यहाँ पूछने का वो ये था अजय जी कि मेरा ऑर्डर मैं आउटलेट में चाहता हूँ मैनुअली एक्सेप्ट हो, दैट मीन्स द क्यूटी विल ऑल्सो नॉट गेट जनरेट अनटिल अनलेस आई एक्सेप्ट दैट ऑर्डर।
ओके।
तो उस
correct.
केस में क्या होगा कि मेरे पास ऑर्डर आया है अगर स्क्रीन पे,
हाँ
तो मुझे नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए क्योंकि मेरा डाइन इन का बिजनेस ज़्यादा है, तो आई माइट
हाँ
नॉट बी वॉचिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर स्क्रीन 24/7। सो सिस्टम शुड एक्चुअली मेक अ, आई शुड से साउंड वेयर आई कैन एग्जैक्टली ओपन दिस पर्टिकुलर विंडो इमीजिएटली टू वॉच कि कौन सा ऑर्डर आया है और वो एक्सेप्ट करना है नहीं करना है क्या करना
अब
है।
वो
अगेन
एक
यू हैव
हम
शोन
लोग
मी दैट ऑटो
टर्मिनल को
एक्सेप्टेंस इज देयर।
एक टर्मिनल को स्पीकर लगा के डैशबोर्ड खुला छोड़ेंगे, डैशबोर्ड में जैसे नया ऑर्डर आता है वो बजर बजा देगा
हाँ
स्पीकर पे।
करेक्ट।
हाँ
हाँ,
तो वो
जिससे कि वो
वो
एक्सेप्ट
किया
कर
है हम
लेगा।
लोगों ने एक जगह, तो हो जाएगा, वो
और
चैलेंज
अगर
नहीं है।
अगर वो जब तक एक्सेप्ट नहीं होता है ना, तो हर 5 मिनट बाद वो बजर बजाता रहे अगर वो स्क्रीन पे पेंडिंग एक भी ऑर्डर है, जिससे कि
ओके।
अगर समझ लो वहाँ पे कोई नहीं है, फॉर एग्जांपल मेरे पास अभी मैन पावर कम है और मैनेजर भी या
हाँ
कैशियर भी गया है सर्व करने के लिए
हम्म,
ऑर्डर, तो सिस्टम में अगर रेगुलर 5 मिनट बाद बजता रहेगा तो मेरे से स्किप नहीं होगा एनी हाउ।
हाँ ठीक है, वो हो जाएगा। कुछ ऑर्डर पेंडिंग रहेंगे तो बचता रहेगा एवरी सर्टन इंटरवल
तो
पे।
ये आप नोट कर लीजिए, या तो दिस दिस फीचर माइट हेल्प अदर्स आल्सो इफ इट इज़ नॉट देयर।
ठीक है, मैं नोट करता हूँ। मुझे लगता है 5 मिनट बहुत ज्यादा होगा, 1 मिनट पे बजाते हैं,
ठीक है, एक एक मिनट पे कर लेंगे।
क्योंकि अपने को ऑर्डर नहीं तो डिले हो जाएगा ना,
हाँ
पाँच
ठीक,
मिनट के बाद बजेगा
करेक्ट
तो।
करेक्ट करेक्ट।
वो शायद से कुछ टाइम इंटरवल भी है आई थिंक, अगर कुछ ऑर्डर स्पेसिफिक टाइम पे अप्रूव नहीं होएगा तो शायद से वो ऑर्डर रिजेक्ट हो जाता है जोमेटो पोर्टल पे आई
हाँ
थिंक।
हाँ, उसके कैंसलेशन
स्विगी
चार्ज भी हैं,
स्विगी
बहुत
पे
सारी
नहीं
चीज़ें हैं।
होएगा आई थिंक।
हाँ
स्विगी डजंट डू द कैंसलेशन, वो हमेशा कस्टमर को कॉल करके या रेस्टोरेंट को कॉल करके कैंसलेशन करते, बट जोमेटो पे वो नहीं होगा। जोमेटो पे वो स्पेसिफिक टाइम पीरियड के बाद वो कैंसिल हो जाएगा लगता है order, अगर एक्सेप्ट नहीं हुआ तो रेस्टोरेंट से।
करेक्ट, तो एक एक मिनट के बाद का बजर रख लेते हैं, बिकॉज अगर वो
हाँ
मैनुअल रखते हैं तो इनके वैसे तो नहीं रखेंगे, बट आई एम अज्यूमिंग इफ दे आस्क कि नहीं हम मैनुअल रखना चाहते हैं, इट शुड वाइबल दैट वी शुड एक्सेप्ट द ऑर्डर, इट्स ओके।
ठीक है, तो अभी फिलहाल नाउ तो इट इज ऑटो अपलोड एंड इट इज सेंड, सो इन द कंफर्म स्क्रीन यू कैन सी द ऑर्डर।
यस
यहाँ पे अभी यहाँ पे देयर इज, हियर यू कैन सी द ऑर्डर नेम, ऑर्डर नंबर, restaurant name, amount, Zomato delivery. This Zomato delivery it is displaying because other, if you all are into hybrid model with the Zomato party, okay,
ओके
Zomato has an option of self delivery also.
ओके
Okay. So if you all are into hybrid model, how Zomato work is whenever the drivers are not available of Zomato. Okay, and if you all are not into hybrid model, what they do is they turn off your restaurant on the portal. Okay, they don't allow customer to place the order. So on the portal, your restaurant will be shown as off. Okay, if you all are not into hybrid model. But if you all are into hybrid model and even if the Zomato riders are not available, then what they do is they don't turn off your restaurant on the portal. They accept the order from the customer and they send the order as a self delivery order. So in self delivery order ka case mein, it is the restaurant who will be delivering the order to the customer.
Okay.
Okay. And in this self delivery, if the commission they charge for each order is 18% regular, example, and that is for regular order if Zomato is delivering, and if you all are into hybrid model and for self delivery order they may charge around 12% or 13%, so the percentage is different.
ओके
Okay, so here it is showing Zomato delivery because it is the Zomato person who will be delivering the order. If it is self-delivery order, na, then you will get a message of self-delivery. So the customer, so the restaurant team will come to know that this is self-delivery order. We have to deliver it.
ओके
Okay. Now here there is mark food ready option also. So once you do mark food ready, then it gives an intimation to the riders, Zomato riders or
so
Swiggy riders that food is prepared.
here our dispatch guys, what they do when they are marking the food as ready, they exactly make comments also, like nowadays COVID is happening, so they used to write down notes like who has prepared your food, the person name, and what is its temperature. So where the remarks are being added while making this food as marked as ready.
Uh,
Can you tell me?
So what I have seen, I am asking those points only. I don't know whether and how things are getting updated, but yes, they are doing like this. Might be for self delivery order, as you said, that the rider is so and so coming and he's got the temperature set, and his temperature is so and so.
maybe we'll have to see. We'll have to see that, sir. If the integration in the Zomato, if they have done any changes in terms of integration and they are allowing to put such remarks, then we can give an option. Because this remark is not for us, it is for the Zomato aggregator, correct?
Okay,
That
so
will check with our team and come back to you.
perfect.
Okay.
Okay, because
Okay, so here you can see the delivery type, order ID,
Yes.
time, payment mode, and the channel. So this is the restaurant. Okay, when I say mark food ready,
So when you mark it food as ready, the QT will be generated with my order number exactly, correct?
no, KOT will get generated as soon as the order is landed.
No, that is okay. I'm saying QT is generated. Is it generated with my order number or Zomato's order number?
Both the
both
number.
will be there.
Both the
Both
numbers.
will be there.
So it is easy to pick up which order is for whom exactly, correct?
Correct. It will display the KOT number, restaurant's order number, web order number, and the web aggregator detail, whether it is for Zomato or it is for Swiggy.
Okay, done.
Web order number is actually Zomato Swiggy number.
Bill
So-
number.
so can you
Zomato and Swiggy bill number.
Can you showcase any PDF which is captured as QT? How it will be visible on screen right now?
KOT का format तो I can share you, but at this moment I don't have that format.
Okay, done.
We have done it, so sample format I can share with you.
Okay, done.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
After this
Let
session
me-
is over, I can share you the format of
Done.
KOT.
We will generate and we'll send you one sample format.
Okay.
Okay. So once the mark food ready is done, so the Zomato aggregator will get the intimation. So here you can see the status updated on the way.
Okay.
Okay. So once the delivery is done, so this delivery ka message you won't be getting because this is the Zomato who is doing the delivery. So they don't give us the delivery message back.
Okay.
Okay. So once the order is
So
landed,
if
this is
the
the
order is
dashboard actually for the restaurant from which they can view how many orders is received and from which aggregator what is the order.
okay, so I am saying if the delivery is done by us, will this particular which you are showing right now will be highlighted that the order is delivered?
Sir, I am unable to understand. Can you come again? Your voice is cracking in between. It is not very clear.
So I am asking that as you shown that delivery, but that particular mark as delivered
No,
order.
no, sir. No. I am unable to understand, sir. So, Ajay sir, can you understand?
You are not able to hear me?
सर आपका आवाज बहुत ब्रेक हो रहा है समझ में नहीं आ रहा है
So I am talking very much loud, I believe.
so your voice is clear but it is cracking very frequently.
It's cutting in between.
Okay, can you check now because I have shifted to Wi-Fi.
Now it is clear. Now it is clear.
Okay. So I was asking if the order is being delivered by us, will that particular link be highlighted as delivered? In our case,
In self-delivery mode, how it is done? Wait 1 minute. Let me recollect.
or you can check same. It is not mandatory to see all those things, but I am just asking.
Okay, that we'll check and let you know.
Perfect.
Okay, so this is the dashboard for the restaurant, sir. Even if you all are running multiple restaurant under one roof also, now, so same dashboard can be used for multiple restaurants. You don't have to open multiple schemas or multiple instances. Okay, so here we are, the reason we are displaying the restaurant name because of multi-brand only.
Okay.
Okay.
Done.
Once the order is landed, so two options is there in the POS, whether you want to directly settle the order or you will settle the order once the driver arrives.
Okay.
Okay. One minute. There's some problem with my internet. I lost the access. 1 minute. Here in the order status window, you can see the menu.
Okay.
Order number, phone number, customer name, start time, end time, and here you can see the order bill number also. Online bill. Okay. So two options is there. Either you keep direct settlement. So your settlement mode has your settlement mode is not important because it is directly get settled into your Zomato account only.
Hmm.
Okay, so either you can keep direct settlement or you can manually select the order and do the settlement. Okay,
Okay.
I'll call the order and I'll do the settlement. Now for this option here you can keep configurable also for online order whether you want to print the bill or no, because in case of online order the Zomato team doesn't deliver, Zomato team doesn't give customer restaurant bill, they give Zomato bill only.
Hmm.
Correct, so that option is configurable whether you want to
But
print the online.
we are sending the bills, as well as nowadays we are sending a check that these 5 persons or 10 person have been actually in the process of making the food, getting ready till it is delivered to you. So their names are there, and as well as there is a temperature check also. Way forward, I believe.
Names and how for getting names, sir, because
So
aggregator doesn't give.
right now we have made this process in Notepad. Later on, I believe I should have a process to jot it down in BrainPower, so that on the daily basis when we generate this particular format, it should capture in system itself.
Now we'll incorporate that
Yes.
later on.
Okay,
Hello.
so this is the ordering workflow, sir, for Zomato. It is same for Swiggy also. And from this single dashboard, you can toggle orders of both the aggregator. Even if no aggregator is added for integration, same dashboard can be utilized.
Okay.
Okay.
Done.
So this is ordering. So this is ordering for restaurant. For retail order also, the workflow will remain same only. There is no change in ordering workflow of Zomato and Swiggy. Okay, it will work in similar manner only.
Okay. So Ajay ji, are we running
Cloud
right now
kitchen.
with any actually brand who is actually using retail?
We are in process of taking on board one of the restaurant which is in Mumbai and Delhi. So since retail is started just now, so we are already in process of the integration.
So menu
All the
update is
masters and
similar.
everything configuration is done.
So menu updates for these partners, that is Swiggy stores and Zomato market, are similar.
Same. That process is same. The APIs are same.
Okay.
Okay. Cloud kitchen concept also will run same. Okay. So multiple
Yeah,
brands
this is running.
will be
This we have
configured in
seen.
the
This is
POS.
running. Yes.
Okay, so like Rollnall and Speedy Chow, how you all are using?
No, this we have seen that in one single system we can use multiple brands,
configure
and
multiple
once
location. Yeah,
once you
correct.
print the bill, the logo of that particular brand will come up. Means, for example, a bill is containing Mamagoto products, it will print the Mamagoto bill. If it is containing Speedy Chow's product, the Speedy Chow logo will come up, as we are mapping all products
Right.
with the brand.
That
That we have
feature
seen.
we already have.
Yes.
We are using that feature.
Yeah, GST VAT is also we have seen, which is captured in our system.
Yeah, adding service charge for delivery, service charge is not there. So for dining, though, anyway it is working only. We are charging service charge in the restaurant, correct? Currently also, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Coming to now contactless dining. So in terms of integration, all the points are clear, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now we can see contactless dining. So Sanjot, you can share your screen. I'll disconnect my screen. Okay. Hello, Sanjot, are you there? Hello.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Once again, I just pulse screen. Is the screen visible? Coming. So here I will scan the QR code. Sanjot, just थोड़ा slow जा, बहुत fast मत जा. My screen is visible. Your screen is visible, so you scan the QR code now.
So are
Yep.
these QR code
I've seen the
separate
QR
for
code.
every table?
They are separate for every table. Yes, for every table. So basically that QR code will consist of your IP address and table number and restaurant code.
Okay.
So suppose you are running on the ordering system on LAN, Wi-Fi, then local IP will be there.
Okay. So the system will be fully secure if we run in LAN, and nobody can give exactly wrong orders to us.
Yeah, you don't have to provide any access, only we have to just open one port for communication. Rest everything you can block down.
Okay. Let's proceed.
Hello.
Yeah, let's proceed.
Hello.
So once you scan the QR code, that time the table number you can see on top, the restaurant details, Akriti Center MIDC, that is the restaurant details, and the QR code which you have scanned, that is configured for table number 4. Okay, so the table number is printed. Now your cart is empty. Now below there you can see the order now button. Okay, so now you can.
Basically, our table 4 is open, but items are not ordered, so
Ordered.
nothing is visible.
Okay.
Okay, so now you can browse your menu. When you click on order now button, now then you will be able to see your menus. Click, go ahead Sanjay.
Okay, I will click on order now. So it will show me the menu groups here.
So this is basically the first level menu, the keypad which we configure right in the pause. That same keypad here you can see. Okay, this is the first level menu. Under that the items are visible. So same provision is here also available. You can display the description of the item. You can display the images, price and everything is available here.
Okay.
Okay. On and below also you can see the menu. So
You can also go through here. Yeah.
you can
jump directly to any menu.
either you can browse your menu from the displayed list, or else you can browse your menu from the menu button also. Okay, so we have given that option because if the menu list is huge and you directly want to jump onto the bar menu, okay, so you will have to scroll down the list. So instead of scrolling down, you can directly jump onto the menu from this menu button.
Okay.
Sanjot, your that visor resolution is low.
Okay.
Otherwise, you continue. Just see, but that's what I'm telling you. That resolution is not good.
Okay, okay, just continue. It is visible enough.
Continue.
Okay. So I will go to any of the group. I will add the product. When I add the product, it will add product to the cart. Now below you will be seeing this one item, rupees 145.95 inclusive taxes.
Okay.
Okay. So I will add another product. So it now is showing two items. All the calculations are done for the cart, and then I proceed. So here it will show me the total amount and the discount, this personal details of the person.
Okay.
This is the cart after I order the product. After I order the product.
So are we capturing guest
So,
phone
here
number
also I can.
while making this product
Sorry?
enable, while making this order ready or getting it sent to my system? Are we capturing his phone number, the guest number,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
or without that system allows me to proceed further?
I am capturing guest number. Sir.
What happened now? If first time we are asking for number and name, so when you start the application, if we will show you that registration page also. If that those details are not filled and the OTP is not verified, then first system will prompt you to complete the registration process. Once that it is registered, that registration information is stored into the devices, and every time it is transmitted to restaurant with the details, with the customer details. So we are just avoiding repetitive process to re-register every time.
Okay. So is this a web link or any app?
Currently, it is an app. We are working on web link same way, but currently that app is completely ready.
Okay. So how much time it will take to get it as an web link? Because people don't like to download many apps in their system.
I understand. So mostly will be ready by next week,
Okay.
next weekend.
Yeah, proceed.
Yeah, then I. When I place orders, it will show me the products that are in the cart. This is my main screen where it will show me all the products that I have punched.
This is my running table detail. So what is running on my current table? So if I want to add addition, like that, we both are sitting on the table and we order a 2 beer and 1 starter. Once that finish, again we want to order something. In that case, I can go to the add more and add additional items.
Okay. So does the contactless menu have any feature to do the suggestive selling? Means I can attach different products with means, for example, somebody has taken rice, so I'll attach few products like the gravy should go or the salad should go with same, so it should prompt me that salad goes very good with this product, please click on same if you want it to add.
That if you configure, then it will pop up and show you to choose.
But is there any facility to do
Similar-
same?
Similar configuration is there. What we are going to do for Zomato Swiggy, it will read the same configuration and pop up and show you.
So whatever menu and however it is configured in the POS, now same menu will be replicated on your contactless
No,
dining
Rakesh, I
application
got your
also,
point.
because
For example, I want that if someone has ordered a pizza and garlic bread, the system should prompt,
uh,
let's offer a Pepsi also. Whether he takes or not, it is on him, but system should prompt. Do you want to add Pepsi?
So that we have to configure. Once we configure, it will pop up over here also. Pause and our. If you want, we can show it on Zomato Swiggy also.
Okay, so it is possible in our system right now to
It
configure
is available in the
suggest.
system. We just need to configure that part.
Okay,
We have to set up for those items.
okay.
What we are cross offering. Basically, cross selling. We are
Cross
talking
selling.
about
Correct.
cross selling. Na?
Correct.
So that cross selling we have to configure in the system with the discounted rate.
Okay.
So that is available.
Yeah, please continue.
Yeah. See, once the order, my order is placed.
Now you can see that he added one more item of Kung Pao.
Yeah.
Okay, so I can keep on adding an item on the running table. This is specifically for my fine dining.
Okay.
In case it is a takeaway or QSR, then once you place the order, system will force you to settle the payment. Once you make the payment, then only it will go on the go into the point of sale system. But in
Okay.
case of fine dining, the running table can keep on running.
So can you guide me with the process like the guest has same particular app? How will he take the takeaway order?
so when he scans the QR code now, sir,
Hmm.
so the configuration and everything, channel and everything is selected on the QR code only. So the QR code will basically contain all the details, your table number, your restaurant details, and the store type. Okay. So if when you're scanning the QR code, the QR code for table on the table which is pasted, it will be different, and for takeaway channel it will be different. Okay, so the QR code for takeaway, when he scans it, he will have to directly do the payment. No table running option is there in the takeaway option.
Okay.
Your table will not be opened. A customer will scan the takeaway QR code. He will place the order. He will do the payment directly, and the order will be closed. And the KOT will be generated in the kitchen.
Okay.
So for takeaway, the concept contactless dining will run similar as the QSR model.
Okay.
So, and for only this order running window will come only for the dine-in orders.
Okay.
Okay, you can go to payment. Can you show the payment window?
Yes. I select on payment window. It will show me three options: Paytm, Google Pay, and cash.
Okay. If there are some other UPIs also, then
Then add method is the mode where you can add, or else the Paytm has inbuilt different UPI wala path. With Paytm, you can pay with debit card, credit card, net banking, UPI. You can use all these part in the Paytm payment mode.
so there is no direct buttons for credit card, debit card, means card payment actually.
So once you select Paytm, then it will ask you.
So payment Paytm is the gateway which we have to mandatorily use for any card and others.
Now we are most probably using Paytm gateway to settle the payment for debit card and credit card.
We integrated with Paytm gateway, so Paytm will deposit amount in your bank account.
Okay. So later, is it available with other partners also?
Yes.
Okay. Proceed.
select on payment. This is the test one of Paytm payment mode.
This is their actually test area.
Okay.
So the number and other thing they kept it fixed.
Okay.
OTP.
So here I have the mode of payment like debit card and credit card, net banking, UPI, everything I have here. I also have Paytm wallet to do the payment. I select on pay rupees.
Sorry. So is Paytm charging us anything for this facility?
That is a normal what bank charge. They also charge same thing. I think they are giving some discount than the bank.
So is the money getting directly landed in my bank, which I offer?
Yes.
It will be landed in your bank directly.
Okay.
This is a Paytm banking part because they have this banking license also. So it is routed through the banking license. So they act like a bank. So transaction is done and immediately money will be 1 plus 2T. The money will be deposited into your account. Same
One-
like a bank only.
They also provide us a bank transaction number also below here.
Okay, for financials, Mr. Rakesh will talk. So that we'll see later.
That's not a problem. We can connect you with the Paytm also, and you can speak to them.
Okay. Now, how the digital bill has been landed to the guest? Can we see same?
That bill will be. We'll send you one message, so you will come to know. Okay, currently because over here the number and other things are fixed for this area, so we'll generate one bill and we'll send you the SMS link for you.
Okay.
We will just forward you the SMS that we get.
That part, I'll show you that part, sir.
Yeah, please show me the sample bill if you have any.
Wait.
And once I click OK, then it will automatically take back me to the same scanning wala field.
So my transaction is completed.
Yeah.
So I can start with the new order,
New transaction.
new transaction.
So system doesn't prompt for any feedback.
System prompts for feedback, but for that you need to configure feedback questions and everything.
So do you don't have any demo interface where we can see how the feedback is running?
Actually, I created on this new database. I have screenshots for feedback page. I will share you that. Is okay with
मैंने
that.
कॉन्फ़िगर किया था ना फीडबैक फॉर्म ऑर्डरिंग केस में.
अभी डेटाबेस चेंज किया मैंने वो प्रोडक्ट सब इमेज डाला ना.
So, Sanjot,
ठीक है सर, the screen.
can you configure and show to Sunil ji tomorrow?
Yes, sure.
ठीक है सुनील जी, वो फीडबैक कॉन्फ़िगर करते हैं और आपको कल दिखा देते हैं.
ठीक है. ठीक है.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Okay, wait, I'll share my screen.
So you want me to show the demo or if I send you video, it is fine.
You share me anything. If you have a video of feedback form, how it exactly runs, how
Because
the
I
link
guess
goes.
this part was not clear right now when I was sharing the screen. So I thought sharing a video would be better.
So I believe I have shared all the points which should be covered in this particular session, but yes, if it is skipped, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, Rakesh, you were showing something.
One minute, I'll show you the. I'll send you the link to your mobile phone only. 1 minute, let me start the pause.
So Ajay ji, table reservation and online ordering, that means home delivery and
हाँ
takeout, ये कब तक ready हो जाएगा with the link? As you said, it is in process.
डिलीवरी का हम लोग इसमें ही बिल्ड कर रहे हैं नहीं विच वन यू आर रेफरिंग डिलीवरी का हम लोग इसमें बिल्ड कर रहे हैं
So
दूसरा
so
कौन सा आप पूछ
so
रहे थे
why this point came up was that as you have gone through .pay, they have exactly made a link where .pay is not showcasing anyone that the backend is .pay. That link, when you click, opens a order page where you put in that you want a delivery order or a takeaway order, and later on if you click on delivery, it will ask you which location you are calling from, and by that particular location, by geofencing, it will share you the nearest outlet which will be delivering the order to you. Later on you have to proceed with the order facility and the order will land to your POS.
Yeah. So that also we build. Only thing we have to configure that.
गुड इव्हनिंग कुठे झाले अजून 6 वाजता ना Where is Shaji sir? Right now, and Manasvi is also on there.
The screen visible?
Yes, yes.
हाँ बिल्कुल
So can you tell me your number?
Okay, 920
920
51
920
51
51
98387 3
9837
नहीं 98387.
98387.
Hello, so how's everybody?
So here, if you want to see the add-on now, that add-on का one offer I have configured here.
Okay.
So like burger में this many options are there, and under Thick Shakes, this many options are there. If I go select any burger, 50 rupee, and this option is available. Select any one. Okay. Oreo shake I am selecting. But when I go to my Thick Shake option and I select Oreo Thick Shake, it is configured for 80 rupees. So this is the add-on option which is configured here, which we discussed when we were discussing the tomato menu.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so the menu configuration is possible. Okay.
Yes, yes. Continue.
You can buy the Tetra pack. Ah, that's all. That is such cases, all these cases are coming everywhere. And this Rosetta House, where was
So
this
you must have received one link.
balance.
Shall I check?
Can you check?
Let me.
The template which is there on the message, now that template is configurable. You will have to give your template.
That our exactly the bill which is getting printed in the restaurant, the same copy, digital copy will be available.
Okay.
Did you get the message, sir?
Yes, I have received the message and I have opened the bill also. So for how many days this digital bill is available?
You are
60 days.
60 days. And then after if anyone request for same?
Then we can resend again. Otherwise, online we are keeping currently for 60 days.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, so digital bill is also configurable. So here completes our point number 19. So yeah, so all the options
So Rakesh, do you have any
had requested is already there.
Rakesh, do you have any feedback interface also, where we can see how the feedback works?
Feedback
link?
interface is there on the contactless system only, so there only you can see the feedback form.
I have a screenshot that I will share with you, and maybe
Screenshot if you want to hello screenshot if you want to see, I can show you the screenshot
Yeah,
now
please,
also.
please.
But
Go
if
ahead.
you want to see
Rakesh, they are open with me, so I can share my screen.
okay sir.
Huh?
Yeah.
Wait,
And
I'll-
then maybe we'll make a video and send you.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can share your screen.
Okay.
Yeah. So top you can see that I can run that advertisement banner.
Okay, which I asked for.
Yeah. So
Yes.
basically now this section is configured to place the order on cloud. So bottom you can see nearby location it is showing me.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So what we can sir हम लोग ऐसा कर सकते हैं ना जो whichever banner or offer we are running, so that offer we can display it on banner and the promo will be applicable. We can configure the promo on the location.
See then there is an option once I make a payment, okay, you can see your order history and also you will get a feedback for a particular order.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So this whole thing is configurable, so we can just currently we configure to work on that LAN. So if I configure to work on a cloud, then all these things will get activated.
Hmm.
And that feedback question I have to specify. So feedback screen will start popping up.
Hmm.
Okay.
So I believe any other point left out?
No sir.
Okay, I will stop my screen so we can review that point list which is
So
with Rakesh.
the in process which you exactly have to showcase now is table reservation slash pre-booking of tables. That is, we need a web link where we can exactly promote that web link in our Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp handles or whatever it is. so
Yeah.
that people can go to that link and
That
there is a
web link is actually same web link you can use for desktop ordering also as well as mobile ordering.
correct. So these two points are now also open, which you need to show me.
Yeah.
Uh,
Okay.
later on, might, as you said, phase second will be containing for product videos display on contactless menu,
Yeah.
which you will check
Yeah.
later on.
Yeah.
You have to come back to me by checking delivering orders to be integrated with Dunzo, Shadowfax, Roadrunner, other partners who are exactly delivering the order for the food making persons like us who are making food, and they will deliver for us.
वो शादी से join होने वाले हैं या नहीं?
Yeah. Okay. Danzo, we already started. We are just going through that API document, so that will take first.
Okay. So
Okay.
once it is started, if there is any timelines, please share with us.
Hmm.
And
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
second last point is loyalty program.
Yeah.
You said that is also in
That-
progress, so I don't know how it will work.
So we'll show you that part also. We'll share a timeline also with you when we can show you the demo.
Okay. I believe everything is covered up. Any point which I am missing, you can add, Singh.
So the agendas and the points which we had mentioned before starting the session, that all points we have already discussed. Okay.
So Rakesh, moving forward, if we decide that yes, we want to go live with aggregators, what all things you need from me, just share all those details on mail so that we can give you all those datas, like the menu in Excel, or so that you can check how it is prepared right now and what all things have to be prepared in a different manner.
Okay.
And second, contactless dine-in, how fast we can get it ready for our outlet to showcase, as you have shown in demo, how you can map it for our database and showcase to us.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll set it up on your database and maybe we'll keep one more presentation for you.
So Ajay ji, I have already shared you the mail. I hope
Yeah.
you should be able to now give me the timelines for all these things, as I have asked you for same. You consult with your team,
Okay.
as they are all now on board right now in this meeting. So consult with
Okay,
them,
so
give
we'll
me the
share the
timelines,
timelines
because
with you.
I would like to get you join in tomorrow's meeting with directors. Hopefully, we'll update you.
Hello, Sunil ji, I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
So I am saying hopefully I would like to make you join in meeting with the directors tomorrow, as I'll be showcasing this particular things tomorrow to them. So if I'll have the dates and timelines today, we can showcase all those timelines and dates also with them, that in how many days or how many months we'll be swapping over everything and be on the same page.
Okay, let me work out and whatever possible I will update you.
Perfect.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you,
So,
Sunil ji.
yeah, thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, pleasure is mine.
करे मीटिंग बंद करे
Yeah, yeah.
हाँ